One of the fastest tips that I tell people when it comes to using CMX2 is applying an image's palette to itself. Trust me on this. So it's like a way to wake up a shot with its own energy, if you will. So check this out. I've got an image here. It's out of camera, did a little bit of color correction in Capture One, and that's it. And it's a little soft, but it has some interesting color palette possibilities. So I'm going to take CMX2. I'm going to choose a lot of samples, I think, because I want to see how many color options I might have. I'm going to scan the image that I want to use with CMX2. And now I've got a palette. As you can see, it's a subtle palette because it's a subtle image, right? I got a little bit of blue banding here. Not a huge crisis, but I like all these colors. I'm going to smooth it a little bit. I'm going to take the opacity a little bit high, leave it on soft light, and now I'm going to apply it to itself. So there we go. Boom. See that? It wakes up an image, especially on soft light. Don't get me wrong. Overlay is also good. Soft light is probably going to be better in terms of making it seamless. It wakes up an image with contrast. That's obvious. Okay. But it also blends in its own color palette and in the same relative luminosity ranges. So it's a way of taking a shot from, it's flat. It's okay. Maybe you don't want flat. Boom, it'll wake it up on its own with itself, if you will. Now, some of our lovely, lovely users have figured this out either on accident or just experimenting, but a lot of people have never tried it. And it's a great way to wake up an image. Now, like I said, if you have a very, very high contrast image and you do this, you're going to add more tonal contrast to it. And you may or may not like that. But for waking up an image from a little bit flat, not sure what to do with it, but you're happy with the color, well, apply itself to itself. And sometimes it ends up really, really cool, like in this case. And then you can keep going with additional grading or call it done. But it's just a really great way to wake up an image with itself.